Migrations, and what has happened is I just haven't applied those migrations to the fixture. I think that's what this is. So let's open up a terminal. Let's go blue terminal. Yeah, blue. Let's make this super large for everyone. Let's go into our here. Alright, and then the first thing we want to do is let's remove our database and manage There it goes. Is that a lot better? And can you still hear the music? I got hit with an ad in case you were talking. Oh, sorry. Damn those ads. Is the music level better? I might have to wait another 30 seconds. Alright. Whilst I'm doing that. What? Your music is a better level now? Ah, that is great to hear. How are you? I hope you're going well. And I just realized that part of my shirt is see-through. It's the Green Beach house. Wherever I put my logo. The Green Beach house. You're good? That's good to hear. Oh, I've got socks with me again. Thank you very much. I do need to buy a new one. This one is a bit old now. It's starting to flake. So I better get on that quickly. Problem in installing fixtures. Could not. Is it because I deleted the database? Alright. Could not load content. Oh, yeah, alright. Alright. We'll need to actually load up to this one. Alright. So remove DB. Merge. Migrate. I think I just do that. Okay. Once I fix the fixture, I don't need to do this again. I've just forgotten to actually take a snapshot of that of where we were. Django migrate. Okay. Manage, migrate, and then I put in Django. Okay. I am hoping this works. Didn't migrate the Django stuff, so I'm just zooming up. Yeah, didn't do any of this. Alright. Django, migrate, just Django. No, not specific tables. We want specific applications. Yeah, it doesn't matter. All right. In this sort of case, what we want is we want to load data. That should not. Oh, okay. Request for change. Damn. All right. I've really screwed up this fixture. I do have a secondary. Docs, you're in the way again. All right. how can we fix this? There's one of two ways we can fix this. One, we could essentially rebuild the fixture. It is a very simple and easy fixture to sort of set up. The idea of the fixture is just for testing purposes, making sure certain projects can't be loaded for certain users and other projects will load perfectly fine. The problem is I have forgotten quite a lot of that. So at the same time, cleaning it out might be better because there was a lot of junk in there too. So cleaning it out might actually be a good thing to do. So let's have a look at the NearBeach. NearBeach. I've got the tests somewhere. There it is. Test permission denied. Oops, sorry, socks. No, that's not it. Test user permissions. So the admin should all work perfectly fine. Test leader, test permissions. They should all be, yep, 200. And they're going to the first one. Alright. So it must be the second one that only they can access. I really got to sit down and redo all these tests. Hopefully soon. Test user permissions. Test admin only. So this logs in with username, password. So username is admin. Go to an existing CAN board where user is not in a group, permission denied. It's saying 2. Yeah, I need to actually sit down and properly understand what's the best way to write tests. The problem is I'm doing all of these tests after the fact, which is not always good. So yeah. Alright, sorry, I'm just my food got pushed back. Well, that's coming in now almost an hour. So if we go to number 2, that would be a 403 permission denied. Yep. Okay, cool. So we can set this up pretty quickly. So we're just setting up a default database. Oh, okay, sucks. You heard there was no food in here, right? Now you're back. You could define factor out the login part into a base class as it seems to be everywhere. Yeah, I should do that. I do have multiple users I do want to test when logging in. So, for example, a read-only user will only ever be read-only. So, I'm going to make sure that that forwards the person to a read-only sort of account. Create super user. We have admin. admin. Support at NearBeach.org. Password is test1234$. I mucked that up by... Okay, cool. And hello, Ship and Tea. How are you? I hope you're really good. And run it on setup as it runs before each class. Ooh. All right. Yeah, I've got to sit down and I've just got to I've literally just got to watch some YouTube videos and stuff like that and be like, okay, this is the proper way of doing things, and I'm just not at the moment. Okay, local host. Now this should take too long to actually set up. I'd probably have a class per user and set up the creds as class variables and ensure user exists function. Ah, yep. Cool. Looks really good. Oh, thank you, Shivan. Alright, I didn't want that. I wanted permission sets. So we'll set up the permission sets first. We've got the team leader permission set. They have no admin privileges, but they get to full permission all of these guys. I think Socks hates that little, there's a little cat thing. I think she hates it. Love the CICD and the GitHub badges for street cred. Yeah, thank you very much. I am currently fixing up my CICD. So I believe I broke it because I made changes to the models, and I didn't. I don't need extra permissions, and I didn't actually make those changes into the fixtures. So when it goes to actually run on that database, it crashes. So I'm currently fixing that up. Oh, I want a read-only too. Okay, but we only need read-only for this particular person. So the extra permissions, which you saw I just left as nothing because changing them for the team leader does actually nothing. These are actually specifically for the read-only permissions. So these add on top of the read-only, just to add that extra level of complexity. So for example, grants the ability to upload, grants comments on Kanban boards, grants comments on projects, grants comments on tasks. Okay, now we want groups. So let's go QA team. And then what we want to do is we want to actually create the users too. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, username will be team leader, support at NearBeach.org. Do you use things like Husky for code quality? So I do. I use Deep Source. What about tests? So tests, I'm laughing because I'm terrible at writing tests. I do need to write more tests. So currently with Django, it has its own built-in sort of test system for unit tests. I am also trying to write some end-to-end tests using Cypress. So Cypress.io, just because it gives me this sort of this little dashboard thing helps me actually write the tests and all that kind of fun stuff. I haven't been able to get far in it because, once again, I'm terrible at tests. I just don't know how to lay them out just yet. So, yeah. But you'll see me tackle some of these over time. So, it's now down to 269 active issues. It was quite high at one point, as you see, around about just before my surgery. I knocked out a couple more and then I knocked out a little bit. So yeah, no, fuck tests till you make big money. Fair enough. 8,000 issues. Yeah, I did have 8,000 issues at one point. Yeah, so when Hacktoberfest rolls over again, I'll be opening up this and creating issues so people can actually submit fixes for them. Yeah. I'll also be opening up any of the testing functionality if you wanted to write anything. So I did Hacktoberfest last year and opened it up. I do believe a couple of people actually a number of people actually submitted a number of pull requests, which is actually pretty awesome. Yes, it's one of the problems with NearBeach is that there's quite a lot of code I didn't delete. So the models I didn't delete. Kind of regretting it now because now I'm like, I would rewrite this to be like this and so forth like that. So hopefully I'll get to a stage where I can do that. Anyway, let's jump back onto this. So I'm just test $1, $2, $3, $4, test $1, $2, $3, $4, add new user. We don't need to save. Yep. I reckon I deleted about 95% of my original code base. I have, because NearBeach started off as a learning sort of project, and then it morphed into what it became, and then I got feedback, and a lot of people were like, listen, there's just too many issues with the GUI and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, well, I've learned a lot more since actually doing this. Why don't I just restart and use Vue? Did I open source? Oh, okay. Anyway, I was going to show you just how many lines there were and all that kind of fun stuff. And how many issues happened when I literally just deleted the code and restarted from scratch. So, we've got the team leader. We need to read only. Now, this is where I go back into this code. Test read only, alright. So I'm just going to match the passwords and all that kind of stuff up. My phone just vibrated. I am hoping that's food. Please be food. Alright, my friend just showing me something. Test $1, $2, $3, $4. Oh, whoops. Not that you guys need to worry. Oh, well, I don't need to worry about showing that password because that's the password I'm using for this particular database. Alright. Oh, I should do this to the other one. So I'm going to be in QA admin, read only permission, add user. Using MySQL, right? Yes, in this particular, yes, no, and maybe. So the good thing about Django is Django handles the middleman in between the Django ORM to whatever database you need. In this particular database, this one is SQL Lite. For my production database, it is MySQL. However, that being said, if you wanted to use Postgres with NearBeach, you certainly can without any issue whatsoever. Eventually, I do want to edit the, this is the team leader. Yes, yeah, it's pretty good. Eventually, I do want to edit this, so self-hosting. So at the moment, I've just got this as a basic sort of copy and paste sort of thing. I do want to actually have it so that anyone could be like, all right, I actually don't want to use a MariaDB database. I want to actually use a Postgres database. So I want to have little options over here where people can select what they want, and this will just work. The reason why I haven't actually done this just yet is because I just haven't had time. Working on a CDC prototype for it. Ooh. Just wait, there's an acronym. I'm scared of acronyms. I keep forgetting what CDC is. Center for Diseases. Just wait, programming. Oh, cashless debit card. Oh, nice. Sorry, I am terrible with acronyms at times. All right. So it looks like this uses Bandit. See the results. Yay, 1 day maintainability. Only 14 code smells here. I know why there's 14, but let's look at trends. So yes, back just before I deleted all my code, I had a lot of technical debt, and it was just terrible. And as you see, I just deleted it, and hunky dory. I think I bumped 3 hours off. So yes, I have heard about it before, but I haven't used it. Alright, so let's quickly build our customers. So I'm finding some UI UX issues at the moment. Can't have bugs if you don't have code. It's just efficient. Alright, I did actually spot a UI UX issue. I just also realized that I am sharing a receipt. Alright, that's fine. It's a taxable receipt anyway. It's for my whiteboard markers and pens and office supplies. Can't lose it. In fact, I should put it somewhere safe. Just sorry, excuse me. I need to clean up my desk. This long weekend, I'm cleaning up my desk. I'm organizing stuff. So yeah, excuse the mess. So I've noticed a couple of UI UX issues. So I'm just going to quickly take them down. So this first one is no quick way of getting back to the user search list. No quick method to go back to user search list. Alright, cool. And if I spell list right, alright. Thank you. And sorry about that bang then. I think that was Sox's tail. Do you have user templates or pre-created users? Found that useful for both testing and onboarding users. So that is one thing I have been thinking of actually doing. So if we actually go to permission sets, the administration permission set is automatically created when the admin user logs in for the very first time. there is something in the code which goes, oh, okay, there's been no users connected to permissions and all that kind of stuff. So that actually handles that connect. I have been thinking of setting up a team leader, a read-only, and a team member, and an intern permission set. The idea is the permission sets stack. So if you have a read-only and let's say you have another permission set that grants you access to tasks, you can stack those up. And they stack at the group level. So if we go to the user, and I need to actually fix this up here. But the idea is this, this particular user is part of the QA team at a read-only level. So you can actually have another permission in here that be's like, okay, they have permissions to actually edit tasks, and that will stack in here. And a team leader only is really more of a decision level sort of thing for RFCs. So that is mainly just for RFCs. So yes, I have been thinking of creating the permission lists, and then anything, when you come in here and create a user, you would just, that's a bug. Fuck, I'm finding so many bugs. You would select which group the user is and which permission sets. You can select multiple permission sets all at once. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm finding way too many bugs. So, whoops, wrong tab. Okay, so method 1 log into NearBeach as admin to navigate the menu. What is the permission level? Just because administration, yep. Users, select any user in the list. Try and go back. Expected results. There is a simple go back to user list. Oh, sorry, give me 2 seconds. This is the food. I'll be right down. All right. So many stairs in this place. So many stairs. I need to become more fit. I should say that. Okay. So we'll go back to the user list. Actual results. There is no simple way to go back only through the menu. All right. This is a minor bug submitted. Okay. Hey, socks. Okay. Ooh. Excuse me, like, this is my meal for today. Okay. All right. Make mess. That will make a mess. Like most programmers, I'm eating at my desk. I do apologize. But my food just didn't come in time. So, sometimes what happens. Oh wait, where's my spring rolls? Yeah. I do need to clean the keyboard. It'll give me a good excuse to take off the caps. I will eventually get new keycaps. So. I'll come back to this. I don't think this is a bug yet. Okay, we also want to do that add permission sets. My mouse, you won't see this on the camera, but this one, there's a little bit of black sort of ink. Reason being is I didn't have tweezers at the time, and there was a bit of cat fur in there that was mucking up the sensor, so when I was trying to move the mouse around, it just wasn't working. So I had to remove it with a pen. I'm just going to paste in the image. Please note, we'll need a go back to permission set. So we need priority minor. It gets everywhere. My boys aren't nearly as fluffy as socks yet. My first cat, Eve, she was ginger female, which apparently very rare. But come springtime, she would have little tiny hair follicles just go everywhere. And I used to wear quite a lot of white shirts and jeans back then, and I would just be covered in ginger all over my shirt. I'd just given up. This is submitted, unassigned. I'll assign it to myself. to group list. Alright. Leave it at that. Once again, these are very minor bugs. These bugs, it's one of those sort of things that I'll just fix when I'm like just going through stuff quickly. Alright. Got my lettuce. Spring roll. Wrap up the spring roll. Oh, Jesus. Okay. New organization. I don't think I need to add an image for this one. No. Alright. But I should be able to do this. Oh. Alright. That is broken. The title should be there. Did you want to come back, Socks? This is not good. All right, let's go back to here. Whilst that's actually, I'm hoping this is just a compile issue. And this is also another reason why I want to get the end-to-end tests up and running, because I've had these problems pop up where I just need to recompile the code and it just works. And I want to kind of eliminate that in the sort of CI/CD path. Nope, there's a critical. Method 1, log into NearBeach to navigate the menu, new objects, customers, expected results, and create a new customer, add actual results. Can't. Okay, this is a showstopper. This is a bug. We're actually going to start working on this straight away. Yep. And hello, Ivanhoe. How are you today? I hope you're going well. All right, let's get the npm run watch up and running. Excuse me. Excuse me for eating too. I'm trying to be kind of healthy. I say that as I'm shoving lettuce wrapped around a spring roll into my mouth. Healthy. There's one green in there. Okay. So, when we have a look at this, put that down to zoom in. Wrong area to zoom in. Mostly well, thanks. Yep, I'm doing quite, I'm doing quite good. Sorry, I'm zooming in on the wrong thing. Users page on Zoom. Failed to resolve component new customer form. Is this a native customer element? Make sure it's from a component. Okay. Oop, this is not the project. Alright. This, close this, close this, close this, and close this. Okay, so I've broken something. So this most likely will happen here. We've got new customer here. A new customer there. All right. Sorry, I should also... Sorry, I keep forgetting to do this. There you go. A lot better size for everyone. So here's new customer. What we want to actually do is we have whiteboard.js. I haven't even done anything with that. So we've got the components. It's a new customer. Components, customers, new customer view. So it should be passing through. Let's have a look at the template. Make sure I've typed everything right out in the template. So we've got it as new customer. Failed to resolve component vSelect. Oh. I'm no longer using vSelect. So going back down here, new customer form. vSelect. All right. So I'm no longer using this. So we'll quickly fix that up. So that was probably causing the issue. Failed component new customers form. Alright, I know what's going wrong here. So if we go to organization information, we're actually importing that that little one in here, I do believe. Oh no. customer modal. New customer form. So we're importing it like this. So this is what we're gonna do up here. So components, paste it in, and then we scroll down. And then we've got new customer form. Now just double, oh, it's an object, not a array. Easy fix. And so I double check, waiting a couple of seconds, presto. So the only problem is the organization, customer organization is not working how we want it to. So you'll notice that we use the nSelect nowadays. So if we actually go to the customer form, you'll see that we've got these nSelects instead. However, I do believe that like new project and stuff like that would use something similar to this, which is what we're going to actually copy. Okay, new project. Oh, okay, no, they've get stakeholders. And that's what they've done. So we need to yank the 9 lines. Paste them after. Alright, so having a look at this, we've got options, stakeholder lists, so we just need to remove some stuff. We need organization fixed list. We need it as filterable, search organizations. Then that still fetch options. And then this will be the organization model. The label, organization name, yep, and get stakeholders. All right. So everything's pretty much staying the same. Now we're just gonna wait for a little bit and then we'll test. We need the nSelect. Oh, yep, we've got a problem. Oh, I've accidentally imported an extra div statement. That's why that wasn't working. Okay. And we have another fail. So we might as well fix all of these up. I don't think I use value. It's an empty. All right. So off the bat, it's this, where we want it like this. Sorry, just getting food out of my keyboard. God. Well, that's the weak thing to do on the weekend. Okay. Alright, and then my dinner. I might have gotten a bit of food. Okay, so I'm just wondering, that should in theory work. Let's go over here. Okay. So we've gotten rid of all the issues. I should try and eat before stream, and I just didn't have time. Okay, so now we can do, let's key the user. All right, no, that's something we want to fix. This is really balked. I don't know how I missed this. I think I just completely and utterly missed the customers when porting everything over to the end selects. This is why you got to test. So if we actually go to the network, we can actually see me type out near. We do get a model back. All right, so that model coming back just does not fit the model they expect. So we can do this. No, she doesn't. No, if you actually do try and send an email there, it'll just come back. Yeah, I haven't done anything with that. so return function get organization data. So it gets the data here. So we've got to fix up this to match how it wants the data. So the good thing is we've got to get stakeholders. So get organization data there. So we could pretty much copy that. (18 to 32). 10. Okay. Just putting that in there for the sake of it. Oop. So we're just finishing everything off. Then going and clearing all of that. Sorry, my chat here just stopped working. All right, sorry, I just saw your message, Nocturnal. You should make a bot that replies to emails to that address with a random picture of socks. Yes, I could do that. Because all it would be is. Because I use Gmail. Email reply bot. Yeah, but I don't want just a single auto reply. I want a couple. I'll figure it out another day. Let's get ready for this to work. So, do I need any of this after the fact? No, I don't. That would then be organization model. All this would go. So we're actually shrinking down the amount of JavaScript here. All right. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. Let's hit refresh. Nope, something went bang. Oh no, we went to organization information. Whoops. Search organizations. And hey, Rich, how are you? I hope you're going well. We've just found a critical bug, which I'm trying to fix. It's coming along well, thank you very much. So I'm hoping to fix up the RFC's module soon, and then I'll do another release. I might actually do a release next week, and then do a massive sort of bug sweep, and then clean up. Yeah, having something of a nightmare with dates and React, but I'll get there. Fair enough. The dates and me is just always so I don't blame you. However, I have used Luxon.js before. So I've used this before when I had to deal with time zones in an application I built. So back in my last job, we did forecast. Back in my last job, I built this. So you can search any suburb. So for example, you could search Melbourne, or you can search Perth. And the problem is with Australia, it has a shit ton of all right. They have not been maintaining this. It has a shit ton of time zones and stuff like that, and getting it to actually work, and just it was a nightmare. So yes, it's simple, displaying dates and times on a page. Yep. Mine was actually getting the correct dates and time for that particular time zone, and then doing all the calculations. And yeah, that took so much. I just keep getting the standard React error. Oh, that's not nice. Damn. Okay. Let's see what's going wrong here. Let's do a console log here. Organization model. Actually, there was one which I came across today. Quick. I think this is it. Yeah. So I just heard about this one today. So going to move on from it onto something else on the list and give the brain break, yes. And then later on you'll be like, oh, I know how to fix that. Happens to me all the time. Especially off stream, I might be struggling with something on stream for an hour, and then presto, the instant I stop, I'm like, I know what it is. Also, we have socks back. Socks? No, that's my food. Get back to... That's my spoon. I'll need that. Alright. Socks, you're just in time. Alright. Stay. Sorry, my camera's just been not tired. It's the third on the list of the current learning after view. Oh, fair enough. I will admit, I am trying them all as much as I can. I tend to actually have a new project every single time I learn a new language. All right. In your bed. In your bed. Go. Yep, in your bed. In your bed. You know where the treats are going. Yep, good girl. All right, socks. We'll put them on the glass container today. The one that contains the little mini-me with mini socks. This gives me enough time just to eat. Right, that's my 8-minute break. Back to it. Fair enough, Rich. Anyway, have fun. I do hope you get that problem solved. She is confused. Oh, I didn't put my bean sprouts in. Alright, so there you go. There you go. She keeps just knocking them off. You got one more. There you go, sweetie. Bean sprouts are in my hair. Sorry, I'm still eating. Alright, get back into this. So I was thinking of trying this out. It looks very much like React. But I won't make a big site out of it. I'll probably do a couple of widgets. There you go. I put it on the bed. Okay, we'll do a reload. We'll have the console log open. So we know it's coming through. But, ooh. Alright. Is that correct data? Are you going to come back to your usual spot, sweetie? No. She's just standing at the side of the desk being like, I don't know what I want to do. What do you want to do? Okay. So, what I want to do... I do want to finish my fur. Console log, row, row. Okay. Just want to track everything. Make sure it's doing it correctly. All right. Am I putting it in the wrong one? Oh, fixed list. I have something which could be useful for learning a framework. If you wanted to give it a go, we can chat about it. Sure. It's V2 or something I did with a co-worker at my last time. Yeah, definitely. Feel free to also post it in, if there's a link or anything, feel free to post it in Discord. That would be awesome, thanks. Anyway, get back to this. There we go. All right, sweet. So now we can finally type out socks. Hopefully I don't have food in my beard. The likelihood of food being in my beard is extremely high. Oh, yep, fair enough. Thank you very much. And are you fine with me copying the link? Or are you saying no to the link because it might dox you? Oh, why? What? Alright, something's not working here, so we'll just delete that. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Cheers. Thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. Alright. Submit new customer. I can always read up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, touch everything. Okay, console log $. And unscrub the commits. Yep. That reminds me, I delete commits when I accidentally upload the node folder. Because I've done that a couple of times. Alright, organization, yep. Oh, that's a... Alright, let's see what needs to be validated. Email. Just required. I've accidentally doxed myself. I had my work cover stuff because I got hit by a car on a lunch break. It wasn't covered by TAC, it was covered by work cover because it was on a lunch break. I had the work cover stuff here and it had my address on it. And I didn't realize it until after stream. And I think I deleted that stream. So let's have a look at these. Okay, customer email, first name, last name, flag validation check, organization, yep, organization model, title model. Those are... console log the V. Keep hitting the wrong one. Okay, just gotta wait a couple of seconds. Okay, we wouldn't have found these issues until way too late. So, over here. Dirty is true, path, route, touch. Errors. Errors, true, errors, array. There's nothing in there. First name, model, target. Any dirty, true, dirty. What? Why? First name. Customer first name model. Oh, I hate this bug. Let's just reload. Let's see what's going wrong. Oh, that did pop up this time properly. I really should put that... see if Sun's reported that bug. Oh, no, this was meant to be socks. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to actually cheat. Gonna put this as another critical bug. Is an issue with the validation process. I have removed the validation process. This will need to be fixed and re-implemented. This is a show. This is actually critical. This would be customers. All right, create. Cool. Oh, I should have just taken a screenshot of this. I just pasted it in here as a comment. Screenshot of affected code. Add comment. Cool. So going back to this, we just refresh. Got Ms. Socks Clark Socks at NearBeach.org, and we've got the organization NearBeach. I am having so many problems today on this. Oh, don't say I've just created a ton of them. Oh no. Alright, let's find out if I've just... No customers. All right, so I can't make customers. Even when I'll tell you what. Let's just comment out all of this code. Let's open up the network. New customer. Let's fix this up properly. All right. Over here, we've got an issue. It never popped up. No error dialog when creating customer. No error. If there is a loss of internet or a server 500 error, users need to be notified of this issue. All right, cool. Major bug submitted, myself, customers, and create. All right. One thing I do need to actually find out: U-track offline mode. just because when I'm on the airplane, it's a great time for testing because I've got nothing else to do. I can build some core functionality and stuff like that, but testing is perfect. And I don't exactly, internet on airplanes is very expensive in Australia. Okay, someone's come up with the idea. I might just use a spreadsheet or something like that, something where I can just copy and paste very quickly. All right. So this is a bad request response. Customer title. All right. So customer title. Let's see what the request was. It is undefined. Now we just got to wait a couple of seconds and refresh. Whilst that is happening, I do apologize for this. Alright, getting this all typed out. Organization, NearBeach. There's also another bug there. I should be typing out. There you go. Now, for some strange reason, it hasn't connected it to the organization. There is something broken. Unhandled error during execution of mounted hook. Alright, no problem. Just rerun this compiling. That will boot this up. Yep, cool. No, that's persistent now. So what has changed? Uncaught in promise reference error. Static URL is not defined. Oh. So this is part of but do we get it? Yeah, we get it from the watch. Sorry, not the watch. We get it from Vuex. Okay, so let's open up a template. Templates, customers, customer information. So we've got customer information. So customer information. We don't have the bottom section, so this is, we're now looking at organization information as a template. We need the organization modules. So as you can see, this is fed through.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
So, organization modules. We want that in the Vue.js. Organization modules. Where are you? There you are. Okay, so we should have props, static URL, root URL. Yep, that's coming down. So what is the issue is static URL under organization information. But static URL.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
static URL. Oh, it's okay. So this is .profile picture. Okay, where's the organization information? So what I'm trying to is static URL. All right, cool. So this is meant to be this.static URL. Easy mistake to make. Running a few seconds, just hitting reload. So we've got organization contacts and we don't have socks in here. Okay. That is a problem. Ooh. All right. But if we add something through here, we add them in, it comes through like so. So when we created a new organization, it didn't connect users up. So let's fix that now. Okay, so under new customer, we've got this. Let's see if this is how we want it. So console log organization model. Alright, and then we're just doing a return here. I know that's going to kill the code and stuff like that, but that's perfectly fine for this sort of case. We're just testing this out. So, new customer with socks. I'll zoom in for you guys. So we've got it as a 1. Now, I don't think that this is working. So what I'm going to do because now it should be just a string, but in this sort of case it would be an integer. So we just got to make sure that that holds true. Just going to refresh this. And we've got a bad request. So 400. Organization. So we'll have a look at request. Organization. Undefined. So we just have to actually delete this. So we didn't read the next line. I should have just read the next line. Alright, and it connects to the NearBeach one. Alright, I do need a UI designer to come through and be like, oh, you should do this and this in these sort of cases with the cards. So, no error dialog, we're leaving that one open for the moment. New customer validation is not working. Yep, we know about that. Cannot create new users. Let's put that as ready for retest. And there is a way to copy this. Yep. We're gonna npm get status, get checkout, NearBeach, static files, get status, okay, get add, get commit, bug fix. I thought I actually copied that. We're going to push that very quickly. And then, yay, my broth is still warm. Tomorrow I'm going to clean up this whole entire desk. I swear. Alright. So, let's go to npm run watch again. So this one should be done. Those are just quick, easy ones, which we won't focus on tonight, because we want to tackle our more harder ones. So, yeah. I'm looking how long I've been running for. Nearly 2 hours, so that's pretty good. Alright. And just some tasty broth. Not gonna lie. So now I've actually screwed up what I initially wanted to do, which was create a vixen for this. So problem, installing fixture, cannot load, unique constraints, Django type, yep. Yep, so it is something to do with fixtures, because the fixture now load, well, dive into the rabbit hole and forget about the rabbit. Alright. Okay. Welcome, Alvadoodle. How are you going? Alright. I get sidetracked like that all the time. Yeah. Excuse me, just maybe it's wet with fur. Alright. Tests are not happy. Oh, damn. Yes. Yeah, the, so my fixture I stupidly didn't update my fixture when I had the chance. And, yeah. I now gotta fix all that up. I mean, for today, we can leave this many sort of customers and stuff in there, and I can come in and actually manually sort of delete them. Because that won't matter so much. Look, sorry. So, what I can actually do is we can move forward and just create all the objects. So we've done the organizations, customers. New Kanban board is everyone can access. It's just an easy Kanban board. I don't think I need to do anything else, if memory serves me correctly, or I think I need to create a new card being like just a basic Kanban card. This is the description. Then we need a project. Actually, we need another Kanban board. Only. Ooh. Shoot. Let's go back to that Kanban board and actually add both groups in. There you go. I was meant to add both groups in. Let's add the team leader in. Alright. So, new Kanban board. No one can access. This one is only for the admin. We do the exact same thing with the project. So, everyone can access. Everyone can access this project. I need both them in, and then what I need to actually do is let's assign it to the team leader. And that's it for this one. No one can access. No one can access. Of course, that's a lie. The admin can actually access this this thing. So how are you, Avil Doodle? I hope you're going well. Elvid Doodle. Sorry, I am tripping over my tongue at the moment. Okay, RFC. Everyone can access. Everyone can access. 0.29.6. Lead. Get the admin. I'm only here for Socks. Fair enough. She did run away for a bit. Socks. Oh, Max, you want to come? No, just wait. I'll get you another cat. Give me, buddy. Here you go. You know, he doesn't trust me because he knows I'm going to pick him up. I'm going to take these off. Alright, here's Max, my partner's cat. There you go, Max. Socks was here before. She most likely to come back again. Unless she's fallen asleep upstairs. Max, treats. He's like, nah. Treats. Alright, nah, he's unsure of being up here. Alright, everyone can access this one. So we need QA team, medium, moderate, medium. Just ring this again. Socks! Come on, sweetie. Alright, here we go. And she is back. There we go. Whilst that's happening, oh, you get to see her struggle with this again. Get to see her struggle. Hopefully, Tillman Socks. Yeah, she did it. She did it. Max. Socks. Socks, right there. Alright, everything should be there. We've got the groups and users. Yep, that's correct. And then we need to create another one, request for change, where only admins can have access to it. So no, she's the expert snacker. Yes. Except the fact that she does lose her snacks sometimes, and now she's really confused. No one can access. And then admin, and then priority change. Whilst that's happening. Risk association, implementation plan, back out plan, test plan. So no one should be able to access that one. New requirement, everyone can access. Everyone can access. NearBeach organization. Oh, are you running away, Socks? Oh, okay. Sorry, Socks just ran away. Okay, so everyone can access this one. And then I should be creating a requirement link. Requirement item. So, don't need to create another one. And then new requirement when no one can access. All right, only that. And then we create a requirement item. No one should see this. All right. And task. So almost there. Everyone can see this. Alright, so that should be everything. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So we should be able to create the fixtures. Now, I'm just trying to remember run circle CI on local. So instead of pushing it multiple times and getting failed results and so forth like that, I do actually have a circle CI on my local. I've just forgotten how to run it. So I have installed it. Just got to make sure that I've got it up to date. So I'm just going to zoom in. Just updating it. And whilst we're doing that, I'm going to switch these two windows around because easy. We've configured everything. Validated how do we run? Circle CI test locally. How runners work. Yep. Use Circle CI CL tool. Yep. I just want to run. I think it's just Circle CI. Circle CI local. And I'm in the source. Yep. I gotta make the fixin' first too. Alright, just gotta create it. I keep forgetting what it's called. Not mixin', fixins. Alright, Django data dump. Yep, cool. Unknown command. Ah. Dump data. And then that should work perfectly fine. And then if we run the tests locally like this, we should be able to do everything. Oh, we got a couple of Fs. Okay. Oh, I just haven't set the database up exactly how it's meant to be. It's asserting that the Kanban board 1, 0 group ID name, it's QA team. We can get rid of that function. And 22. Yeah, I don't know why that's in there. But we can get rid of that. I think that's just checking that the groups are all the same. It's. I need to improve on my test writing skills. Let's just say that. So assert response contact user is active. Oh, I haven't logged into these users. That's a simple fix. So that's 4 things. All right, cool. So that's as simple as just logging in. Gotta make sure what the time is. Yep, I've got a little tiny bit more time. So team leader will log in and log out. And read only will log in and log out. Admin will log in and log out. All right, so we'll do tests. Ooh, we got a couple of F's still, and a couple of A's. This is weird. All users should be active. Okay. Let's go to this file. So it's on line 13. 13 and 228. Oh, it's not logging in with the user. All right, 228. Yes. And the admin should log in like that. All right, cool. Give me about 30 seconds. I'm just quickly running off to the kitchen. I'm just getting a quick drink. I'll be right back. Oh. All right, I'm back. Okay. So, saying this is not true. Oops, sorry. All right, let's go back to 13. Print. User, this would be a response on text user. And then active. Okay, let's see if this works. Anonymous user. Okay. I think I know what's gone wrong here. So let's go down to this class. This is a team leader. Yep. We have that username. Team member we don't have. Not a problem. We can create them straight away. Just making sure I've still got some time on that. Yep. So, what do we want? We want users. Actually, let's create permission sets first. Let's create a permission set for team member. So, this particular person can edit. Excuse me. So, they can create new projects and all that kind of stuff. But they just can't delete stuff. They don't need any of the extra permissions. They'll be in the same group. Add new user. We just need to make sure that they're in the QA team, they've got the permissions, team member. Alright. Just dropping everything now. We've got another anonymous user in there too. Team intern. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to open up a new so I can keep it running in the background. Just about to go to Lost, but she calls me half an hour later. I'm now getting lunch. Oh damn. Ouch. Okay, this is team intern. With an intern, we want to strip their permissions to edit only. Yep, that's fine. I did something stupid. Permission sets. Actually, wait. In permission sets intern. There you go. Save permission sets. Yep, cool. We just now need to create that user. Team intern. Support at NearBeach.org. Test $150. Test $150. Add new user. And I just got to make sure that there isn't one more in here. So got team intern. Alright. This is all good. And I realized I haven't pushed that to the fixins yet. So hence we're still getting fails. So manage, dump data into NearBeach, fixins, NearBeach, basic setup, JSON. Then we've got to run the tests, because it runs those tests off those fixins. So we only have one fail, and I think I know what that fail might be. Test internal functions, test Kanban board, assert equal length response. I've forgotten what this actually does, but considering we're going to redo a lot of these tests, make sure there's no groups for the second response, but there are groups for the second response. And Socks is back. And I'll turn that down for you, sweetie. There we go. Alright, now it just got 2 errors. Did you want to sit there? No, you're happy just blocking the screen? Alright, cool. Alright, I can't read any of these errors because I got a cat in the way. So for the NearBeach fixtures, no setup JSON. What do you mean? I can't read any of that. So let's go to the other error. Could not load content types. Unique. I don't know what that's going on about. Problem installing fixture. All right, let's it was able to load. Oh, it might be. All right. Might not be loading up that specific fixture. So what I'm looking for is the test case right here. No, that's the wrong test case. Unique const fail. Django app label. What? Set up class, NearBeach test specific bugs, test no group user. Okay. Manage, load data. NearBeach fixtures, NearBeach no setup JSON. That's the one that's failing. So remove database. All right. Manage, migrate. Just double checking one thing. So under NearBeach, we have the fixtures. We need to open this up with a database. Just realized it's not a database we're dealing with. It's JSON. And the problem is it's all in this object list. Yeah, alright, this is... I was hoping it was going to be in SQLite, but I was wrong. And there it goes, so I can say hello. So, that's a bit of a pity. And the reason why I'm opening it up like this is I want to find out if I've got a, if I've created an admin user. That's the only reason. Hmm. 95 files found. Oof. Alright. 4 found. Alright, so it has created the admin. So that's what we want to do. So manage, create super user. We want to create an admin, so support at nearbeach.org. Password would be the test $123.4. Alright. And then what we want to do, manage, dump data, NearBeach fixtures, and then the no setup JSON. Alright, manage test. Hopefully that test will work. Alright, we ran all those tests. Let's get rid of this. Alright, wasn't in here. Bang bang. Alright. Let's test that. That's all I needed to do. We should just see a bunch of dots pop along the screen. I will get rid of that other print statement, but not today. Let's go git status. We're not in a git directory. Git checkout NearBeach static. Git commit. Update to the fixtures. Have I been calling them wrong this whole entire time? Are they fixtures or are they fixins? Fixtures. I've been calling them wrong the whole entire night. Oh my god. Alright, I'm terribly sorry to confuse everyone. I confuse myself way too easily. They're fixtures, not fixins. Update to fixtures, so the CI/CD runs the tests. Alright, let's go back to CI/CD. So, we would have one more failed in here. So this one would have failed where we've done the bug fix. That is perfectly fine. We are now running this particular one. Alright, this does take a little while. Let's click on this open. So it's found the 50 tests. It's just running them right now. And then what it'll do is the code coverage. All right, cool. So I've got 66% code coverage. I do want to get that up a lot higher. Okay, and that's a success. Anyway, on that note, it is almost 10 o'clock here. We might as well find someone to raid. I did want to get to the RFC, but we did find some critical bugs which we had to fix first. So, we have... Oh god, an ad. Alright, let's wait for the ad to be over. Alright, let's close all these tabs. Oh yeah, close the tabs. Alright, so Nick White TTV is doing a live coding. Let's just raid him. Alright, anyway, thank you very much everyone for coming tonight. It has been grateful. As you can see, Socks is hanging out a bit more. She's happy that she got treats. We are getting closer to another release very shortly. The release afterwards would be focusing on stability, and then we will, after that release, we'll be focusing on either Gantt charts or epic/sprints. So something that I'm going to sit down and design very, very quickly. So hopefully give me a week or two on that. So yeah. Anyway, say bye, Socks. Anyway, I shall see you guys in the next stream. So, oh, quick heads up. There's no stream this Friday. And I will be going overseas next week, but there will be a stream next Monday, and then I'll decide what days I'll be streaming when overseas in a limited capacity. So anyway, good night everyone, and have fun.
$200 on gift cards, and then I go to Amazon. It shows I spent the money on Amazon, but the balance is 0. Makes no fucking sense.